Here we have a Willis 12-inch by 24-inch automatic horizontal surface grinder. It is unused. It's in fantastic condition. Came in the original factory packaging. That includes this hydraulic pump, and this operates the table feed. It does operate, as you can see. It also includes a magnetic separator. This is all factory sealed. You just open it up to inspect it and make sure everything's looking good here. It has an automatic oiler system for the bed waves. Now we do have it powered up. And first we're going to turn the motor on. Okay, it's a 5 horsepower motor and 14-inch grinding wheel. We'll go down here, we'll turn it on. Of course it's very quiet right now, but it is running. Okay. Also includes the 12 by 24 magnetic chuck. You can see this right here. And then we'll turn that on. About halfway. First, now it won't move at all, so that operates very nicely. Still has the factory plastic on there. Also does a cross slide. We'll hit that button right there. Now this lowers the motor head. Like this. So you can raise and lower the grinding wheel automatically. You can set it for automatic, or you can do it manually. Also, here's your cross feed. Now, of course, we don't have the hydraulics hooked up to the table feed here, but like I said, we did test the motor just briefly. Here's your control panel right here. Has a Kent chuck controller, Mitsubishi. That's a CNC controller. Okay. There's your hydraulic hoses for your hydraulic tank. There's the motor. The motor's still running there. Check the coolant pump. Coolant pump operates as well as the motor inside for the screen. Like we said, overall it's in really fantastic condition. I mean, there's not even a scuff or small scratch on this thing. This thing is in really nice shape. It came in bagged from the factory. Turn that back off. Includes a work light there. Then you have your mounting feet right here. You got 2 water trays. You got your flange for your grinding wheel, and there's your grinding wheel. And we thank you for looking at